Nike is bringing seasonal texture to the spotlight with an upcoming Nike Dunk Low Corduroy, a release that taps into fashion's renewed love for ribbed fabrics. Corduroy, once seen as vintage or strictly cold weather wear, has made a strong comeback across modern fall and winter collections, and Nike is clearly paying attention. This Dunk Low swaps the usual smooth leather for an almost fully corduroy-covered upper, giving the sneaker a cozy, winter-ready feel. The colorway features layered shades of brown, from soft tan to deep chocolate tones, creating a warm and earthy look that's easy to style. Subtle material changes add depth while keeping the iconic Dunk silhouette intact. The swoosh blends seamlessly with the tonal design, reinforcing its lifestyle appeal rather than bold contrast. A light tan midsole and darker brown outsole complete the grounded color story. Expected to release in the first half of 2026, this pair proves how material updates can refresh a classic without losing its identity. Stay tuned for official release details.